The flooding has also disrupted transportation system with the roads rendered impossible and bridge severely damaged. Public service including electricity and water supply have been disrupted exactly by them. They are difficult forced by the belligerent community. The true extent of the damage is yet to be fully assessed, but the initial reports indicate grim picture of devastation. The deluge descended April from China with unexpected ferocity catching residents of war. With the rainfall reaching unexpected level in the city, infrastructure were quickly overwhelmed, plunging neighborhoods into chaos. Houses and businesses were inundated, with the residents were forced to flee high ground and ensure their safety. Local authorities have mobilized emergency service to deal with the crisis, but their force have been hired to sheer scale of disaster. Rescue teams are working tirelessly to evacuate stranded individuals, but they're also providing to those who have their homes and profession. The priority remains ensure well-being affected residents to minimize further casualties.